You wake up, start your day, and try to explain it in English, but nothing comes out the way you want. The words feel slow, making your mind goes blank. You feel a little silly, and you wonder, why is this still so hard for me? You're not alone. Here's the truth. This isn't your fault. Most lessons jump into big grammar first, but they skip the part you actually need, how to talk about your real life. Let me explain what really helps. Stay with me, because this can change how you speak today. In the next few minutes, you will see how to talk about your day with simple, natural English, with no stress, no heavy rules, just clear steps you can use right after this video. Let's fix this together. Secret 1. You overthink it. You try to speak, and your brain starts checking grammar like a teacher in your head. It feels like a traffic jam up there. This is why you freeze. You talk slow because you think in long lines, but daily life needs short lines, like, good morning. I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I leave the house. I want a cup of coffee. Each line is a small block, and blocks build your full story, which is easy to remember. Okay, now we clear the memory stress. Secret 2. You don't have ready phrases. You try to create new sentences each time, which is hard because it drains your energy. This is why words don't come fast. You need set phrases that always fit. Think of them as tools you keep in your pocket. I usually, most days I, after that I, in the evening I. These give you flow, with less thinking but more speaking. Now we fix the fear part. Secret 3. You're scared of mistakes. Your mouth knows the words, but fear stands in the way like a closed door. This is why you repeat yourself and why you pause too much. Making a mistake is not a problem, but a step to perfection. You say, I take breakfast. It's not perfect, but people still understand you. And you learn faster by speaking more, not less. Now let's fix the flat story problem. Secret 4. You skip the details. You tell your routine with big blocks only. I wake up. I go to work. I come home. That sounds plain, and it feels like reading a to-do list. This is why your routine feels empty. Add one small detail or one feeling. I wake up at 6. I feel tired. I drink tea before work. I watch a show at night to relax. Little details make your story real. Now let's turn this into practice. The simple plan. Start today. Step 1. Write your routine in 8 short lines. I wake up, I eat, I go. Step 2. Add one feeling to each line. I wake up at 6. I feel sleepy. Step 3. Add one detail to 3 lines. I drink tea with milk. Step 4. Say it out loud 3 times. No stopping and no fixing. Step 5. Record it. Listen once, then say it again. This trains your brain like a small daily workout. You can talk about your day. You just need short lines, ready phrases, and small details. Here's the truth. Your English grows fast when you practice in small steps. Start today. Write your routine. Say it out loud. If you want more simple guides like this, hit subscribe and stay with me.